the first cohort of our young men and women going to senior school is going to happen in January. It is a most consequential transition in Kenya because it is part of the transition of our education reform process that now is going to give us a new way of our students progressing with their education. So a most consequential exercise is underway in Kenya. 1.1 million children in Kenya will be transitioning from junior school to senior school in January. I want to assure parents across the Republic of Kenya and all other stakeholders that we have made adequate arrangements. Every child, the 1.13 million children in Kenya, each of them has a place to go to in senior school.